Hello YouTube, how you guys doing tonight? Hey, this is that motor that I did do a quick video where I got it in the mail, 27 turn. If you guys been watching this video on my Axial Wraith here, we got in the ocean and had to replace servo here, had some other issues, receiver went out, the motor just got really hot and it's pretty locked up. Having some issues with the front beadlock tire too, but that's a separate issue. You can actually feel it, it's actually completely locked up. I think the motor's shot. Anyways, we'll go ahead and go to it. Alright. Okay guys, got this torn down. I'm test running the new 27 turn motor. Got everything pulled out. Here's the transmission here. And here's the old motor, which I can't even turn by my hand. I'm going to go ahead and... Oh, it's a 20 turn. Interesting. Well, I guess that's an upgrade. Okay. Well, let's continue. There's a motor and transmission. I'll tell you something interesting. I came and turned this without the slipper clips going. And it feels completely locked up. I'm going to take it apart and see what's going on in there. The motor definitely has a bad spot and it smells of burned motor. Well guys, we're inside. First, Exhibit A, these screws are covered with rust coming down in here. Can you see that? This bearing here is seized. That one here is probably seized also. And these metal gears are all covered with rust. They can probably be saved. I might at this point, I don't know, might just go ahead and eBay out another transmission and do this one for parts. Maybe upgrade one. I'm not sure yet. Go ahead and work on resetting that one tire. Alright, I'm going to start putting these pins back in. There's not much else we can really do. I'm going to probably go ahead and search out eBay for parts. And we'll get this thing going again. I might do the local hobby shop. I'm not sure. Be careful not to run your power tip all the way in. I always do the last part by hand just because I don't want to strip plastic. That's kind of my ideas. That was a tip I picked up from another YouTuber, Kevin Talbot, actually, out of England. This is that cool ball-tipped sure beats watching me do this by hand, right, guys? And let's finish up with this number 2.0 millimeter. And go ahead and run them in here. Work on resetting the speed while we're working on the truck here. I was warned by my local hobby shop that these Walker Evans sometimes they have a tough time with these thinner tires. Well, there's the aftermath. This thing really makes it a lot better. Got the quick release. Works out really good. Plus it's got the 3 lights. Works really good. And these guys, what I like about them is they have the ball tips. Very nice. There's a part number. Anyways, guys, thanks a bunch. We know what's going on now, and we'll get on the eBay and see what I can get for parts. Decide what to do next. And there's the wreckage of my Outcast. Alright, well, give me a thumbs up, give me a subscription, give me a like. It really helps me out. Until next time, ciao.